11th biobotany, fungi, general features and classification. Milestones. 1729, P.A. Micheli, he found the fungal spore culture, or first forms the fungal spore culture, and he also considered as the founder of mycology. Mycology is the study of fungi. Next discovery of fungi that starts in 1767 again by Fontana, who proved that fungal cells are fungi, they cause diseases in plants. Okay, in plants also affected by fungal diseases was proved by Fontana. And the next year 1873, C.H. Blackley, he just forms are found the fungal allergies in human being. So human being also affected by fungal, that was found by C.H. Blackley. Then the next discovery in the year 1904 by A.F. Blackley. He proved heterothalissum in fungi. Heterothalissum means two different plant body. Thallus means plant body. Hetero means different. So two types of different, that means unicellular and multicellular fungi also there. That was heterothalissum. Then year 1952, Pontecorvo and Roper, they proved the parasexual life of fungi. Even they have the reproductive cycles, that is of parasexual cycle, right? Then types of fungal mycelium. There are two types of fungal mycelium, septate and aseptate. Septate mycelium, due to the presence of cell wall in the fungal hyphae, that leads to the uninucleated structure of each filament, that is called septate. Example, Fusarium. Then aseptate, absence of septa. Septa means the cell wall, lack of cell wall, more number of nuclei, they just together in a filament and are called aseptate. Example, Albugo. So there are two types of fungal mycelium. One is unicellular and also possess a cell wall. Another one also the same type of fungal hyphae without a cell wall. Unique characteristic of a fungi is it is a ubiquitous eukaryotic. Even they are also eukaryotic, not prokaryotic. Eukaryotic, achlorophyllous, absence of chlorophyll. Hence they can't produce their food. So always all the fungi are, they depend on other organism and heterotrophic nutrition. Then general features, hyphae, fungal hyphae is thin filamentous structure. This interwoven hyphae forms their mycelium. Cell wall is made up of a polysaccharide, or it is called as fungal chitin. Even the fungal chitin, it is a polymer of N-acetyl glucosamine that again it has a name as fungal cellulose. Organization of mycelium, there are two types, that is said to be Placentyma, Prosencyma and Pseudoparenchyma. Prosencyma loosely arranged but parallel together. Loosely arranged means the structure of filamentous that form hyphae. If the hyphae are loosely arranged, they are parallel together. And Pseudoparenchyma, they are compactly arranged but lost their identity. Lost their identity means due to their compactly arranged, நெருக்கி இருக்கிறதுனால அதோட ஐடென்டிட்டியே மறைஞ்சிடும். But Prosencyma, they are loosely arranged, so parallel. we can see them. They never lose their identity. There are two type of fungal thallus. They are holocarpic or eucarpic. Hollow means whole thallus or entire thallus is converted into a reproductive structure. It is holocarpic. And then eucarpic, some of the regions are converted into reproductive structure. They are eucarpic. Then the reproduction through sexual and asexual phase. If a sexual phase is seen in their mycelium, that is anamorph, and then asexual phase is seen, that is telomorph. When both are seen, holomorph. Then general sexual reproduction is sexual reproduction through fusion of protoplast, that is said to be plasmogamy. Gamy means fusion or union. So fusion of two protoplast, plasmogamy. Fusion of nuclei, carrion represents the nuclei, so karyogamy. Then production of haploid spore, that is due through meiosis. Then methods of reproduction in fungi, sexual asexual flagellated structures which are produced as zoospore, moving. எப்பயுமே flagell இருந்ததுன்னா மூவ் ஆகும். ஸோ zoospores, example chytrids. And then when conidia are the spores produced in conidiophore, phore, that represents stalk, which produces spores. So conidia producing conidiophore, example Aspergillus penicillium. Then oidea or thallospores, they are next type, that is due to the division of hyphae and spores are produced. Example Aries hyphae. Then fission, automatically that vegetative cell divides into two as a daughter cells. Example yeast. Fission and budding, only two examples are there, that is a Saccharomyces, that means yeast. Budding also seen in yeast. A small bud outgrowth that's seen in their parent, and it can detach with the parent and grows into a new one. Then chlamydospores, they are also thick-walled resting spores. When favorable condition came, they just germinate into a new fungal hyphae, forms of thallus. Example Fusarium. Right? So methods of reproduction in fungi, these are all asexual reproduction in fungi. Sexual reproduction in fungi. The previous one slide. Next one, sexual reproduction in fungi. How sexual reproduction seen in fungi? There are 5 types. First one, planogametic copulation. That means fusion of motile gamete. Motile gamete means gametes, all the gametes they are moving. There are 3 types based on their morphological and physiological nature. Isogamy. Iso means same. So the fusing gametes are morphologically and physiologically similar in their structure. Example Chytridium, Synchytridium. Then second one, anisogamy. Aniso means they are dissimilar. Morphologically and physiologically dissimilar gametes, they fused together. Example Allomycetes. Then next one, third type, oogamy. Oogamy, they are morphological and physiological dissimilar gametes. First one same, similar, and then different, and then dissimilar. Right? So dissimilar gametes. So in oogametes, one type of gamete is moving, another one is stable. Example Monoplyphares. The next type, gametangial contact. The contact between antheridium and oogonium. Here the sex organs they formed, and male is said to be antheridium, and then female sex organ oogonium. Example albugo. Then gametangial copulation. First one, gametangial contact. Second one, gametangial copulation. In copulation, fusion of gametangia occurs, and that is through the zygospore formation leads to. Example mucor and rhizobus, black mold. The next one, spermatization, transfer of uninucleate structure from one one is acting as a recipient, another one is as a donor, and that the spore may be pycnidiospore or microctenidium to a hyphae. They are just received by a hyphae. Example, Puccinia and Neurospora. Neurospora crassa is a fungi. Where it is used more means in biotechnology techniques. And then somatogamy. Somato means body cells. Here the fusion of somatic cells. Example, agaricus. Somatic cells means body cells. Vegetative cells with two body cells, they fuse together and forms a spore. That is said to be fusion of somatic cell. Example, agaricus, and the type is somatogamy. So sexual reproduction in fungi: planogametic copulation, gametongeal contact, gametongeal copulation, spermatization, and then somatogamy. These are the types of sexual reproduction in fungi. Up to this fungi general characteristics over. Thank you, students.